Hey there, welcome to ProTech. Today we're going to check out a video submitted to us by Mario Rojas on how to save some time and frustration when installing an alternator. Let's take a look.
Hey there viewers, it's Mario here. Thank you for tuning in. Got a quick tip here for those of you installing alternators. Most of the time you will have these mounting pins when you take off your old alternators that won't allow you to install your new alternator unless you push them back. And sometimes accessibility is not that great. You might not be able to, go through your usual hammering method. That's at least that's what I've been doing for who knows how long. And I tried something out of just curiosity to see if it would work due to limited access with a punch and hammer. All you're gonna need is a new alternator and a brake pedal depressor. I'm sorry, a brake piston depressor. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up over here. Hopefully you guys can see this. And this is that pin in question that we need to retract. So, and I know that some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, you're gonna mess up your tool. And all the times that I've done this, I've never had a pin so tight that it would damage my tool. So if you do have that, wow, then I'm really surprised. But let's see if you guys, I hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna zoom it in anyway in the edit, but this is it. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, and there it goes back. See, no damage to the tool. And anyway, if you have one of these tools, I have lifetime warranty. I'm not really worried about it. So hope that was of some use to you guys. Maybe that will help you shave off some time. Just go ahead and install that brake piston depressor and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.